Hey everybody, Zach Harrison here with the Simpson Strong-Tie Company. We're here today at our grand opening of our awesome Las Vegas facility located off of 215 and Buffalo Drive. We have some customers, some industry partners mingling here today. We're really excited about this facility. Part of our 9 values of doing business, number 1 on that list is relentless customer service. So part of our opening these warehouses in various regions is about increasing our customer service metrics, and one of those is shipping same day.
As of the grand opening, we've got 872 SKUs made up of connectors, fasteners, anchoring systems, shear walls, and of course our outdoor living hardware. At full capacity, our warehouse can store about 1 million pounds of product, and we offer will call same day service, which is open from 7 to 5 o'clock.
In addition to our shipping and will call services, we also are offering a training center free of use to the community and our industry partners. We can hold up to 126 people in this training center. In addition to that, we're able to split the room into 2 separate meeting spaces. And it comes with a full AV package capable of remote meetings as well.
We also have a demo center where you can get hands-on experience with some of our products. We're actually doing that today here in our warehouse. If you or anyone on your team want to come out and get some experience with our products, see what it feels like to install them, please either contact your local rep or call our 800 number, and we would love to see you.
One of the main reasons we put this location here is to increase our same-day shipping, because relentless customer service is super important to Simpson Strong-Tie and our industry. So we want to continue to improve our service levels and also be here and invest in the community.
2, 1!
All right.